A very warm welcome to you all. It's our immense pleasure today we have with us Chairman of Peer Team, Chennai University, Belgavi, Karnataka, and Member Coordinator is Dr. B. Aniruddhan, Principal, Nehru Arts and Science College, Trimullayam Palayam, Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu, and Member Dr. Padmaja S., Professor, Department of Chemistry, the Maharaja Sayajirao University.
Okay, sir. Okay, skip this thing. Okay, move forward, please.
This institution is run by Jaiva Pratishthan Humgaon. It was established by Honorable former Cabinet Minister, sitting MLA Shashikanti Shinde Sahib in the year 2002. Since then, he is the founder president of this Samstha. Ours is the most dedicated and the only educational organization in the Tehsil area. The motto is enough to define the work culture of our institution. The motto is Buddhameni hi siddhanti karyani manorathe. It means to give a priority to work instead of only dreaming. Our institution, the institution imparts quality higher education seeking a keen
Nice basics we can skip because we have seen all these things in this. Sir.
to only the 1006 enrollments of students. This institution comes under hilly and rural area. Ours is the only higher education institute in the entire Javli Tehsil. This institution is permanently affiliated to Shivaji University, Kolhapur. Received this affiliation in the year 2012. We managed the issue UGC 12B recognition in the year June 2013 on the basis of permanent affiliation status. Before 2013, the institution was not eligible to receive any grants. It was which looks after the whole admission process and it is supervised by the principal. As stated earlier, we have started this college with only 106 students enrollment. Today the students enrollment has reached up to 1082. This is the only college which imparts quality higher education in Javli Tehsil. Almost all the students are from hilly, rural and backward areas. The ratio of girl students is higher than that of boys. Today the percentage of girl students is about 53%. The faculty is highly qualified with fulfilling the eligibility criteria as per UGC norms. Research is an asset of our institution. The faculty is highly qualificative in research area. Out of 20, we have 8 PhD and 7 MPhil holders and 12 faculties said they qualified. Faculties constantly publish their research papers in various national and international journals. Research committee looks after all the research related activities in the institution. The administration of the institution is very transparent one.
Sir, can you show the details of research papers?
Sir, all these things we know.
Yeah, we can just keep on, please.
The institution provides healthy atmosphere to develop research awareness among students. Faculty involves students in research-oriented activities like survey done by students, socio-economic survey conducted by Department of Economics. Second, the survey historical developments in recovery conducted by History Department. A survey Panchayat Raj system and implementation conducted by Political Economics.
So, where do we get the details of this research conducted?
In the net coordinator will be present here.
Yes, sir. Of the surveys we have kept other departments.
The institution has only one guide principal, Dr. M.B. Wagmore, two registered PhD candidates from Shivaji University, Kolhapur.
Okay.
are pursuing. The institution encourages and supports the faculty to employ their expertise and provides the faculty of consultancy services. The institution runs two paid consultancies, Modi Script Transcription. This consultancy is run by Mrs. Jadhav JP, Head Department of Political Science. The revenue granted from the generated consultancy rupees 730. The plant authentication consultancy is run by Dr. Pawar US, Head Department of Botany. The amount generated through the consultancy is 1200.
Can you just tell something about this Modi script?
Modi script is in the historical period. This language translated to in Hindi, Marathi.
Now,
I will show the
how it becomes a consultancy?
So
in the
He is a professor of language, and professor of language, and he knows the Modi language.
Yes.
He translates the
in Marathi
things
Hindi.
written in Modi language into
Marathi
Marathi and Hindi.
Hindi.
Yes, because Modi language is not taught anywhere now.
Anywhere no. In Tahsil Karyaलय
And how this man has learned it? From where he has learned it?
in Tahsil Karyaलय she taught to our college and they published the documents.
No. The one who is, how he has learned, where from he has learned.
The students come in our college. This is
No,
Modi.
the
Modi language, how did that person?
She will explain the professor.
Okay.
she has taken a course.
So that is the precise answer that we wanted. Okay.
The institutional library is rich in its resources. Total 7,929 books, 4,929 textbooks. Apart from providing books, library gives access to the internet facility to student and staff. It's also
In
provides
the SSR,
In number of books.
your books to the students, you have written 10:1. It will not come to 10:1.
Yeah.
Yes.
Number of students is 1,000 and there are 7,009. So 7.9:1.
Yes.
But in the SSR it is written 10:1. In fact,
It's different.
to calculate that ratio, reference book should not be taken.
Yeah.
Because they are not meant for home lending.
Yes, sir.
So you should take the textbooks only.
Yes.
If that is the case, then the ratio will come down to 3.7:1. Is it not, madam? Okay, go ahead.
Okay.
The computer section looks after all the technical assistance to the institution. It consists of computer facility center for student and faculty. 3 courses are run by this section. These are CCIT, DTP, MSIT, Tally, which course is affiliated to MSBT and Yashwantrao Chavan Open University. These courses duration of 3 and 6 months.
So what is the internet speed? What is the bandwidth? Internet speed.
Available in
It's available.
GB.
What is the speed? What is the bandwidth? Okay, Salivate, please go ahead.
Student welfare support. Different students welfare schemes are conducted. Career guidance and counseling, remedial coaching for SC, ST and OBC and economically weaker students. Students insurance, students aid funds. Gym is available in Gymkhana. Scholarship and free seat, placement sale, competitive examination sale. We also conduct 2 courses, remedial coaching for social and economically backward students, coaching for students for table tennis, kabaddi, powerlifting and athletics, coaching for banking and courses.
Sir, about this student welfare schemes, what are the welfare schemes?
Here is the table tennis, we are coaching here.
That's not
Welfare
welfare scheme,
scheme.
that is not welfare.
S7.
Scholarship is given by the
Career guidance.
government.
There are welfare facilities that
We provide the students, weaker poor students, aid funds under the university rules.
Insurance and what is the student aid fund?
They have given it to 8 students, 15, 16. And the amount is very bigger, 4,000 rupees. In the SSR it is written.
Yeah.
Yes. There is a difference.
4,000 rupees you have.
So, other than the government and university funded scholarships,
Yes.
whether the college is giving any scholarship of
That is SA, student state fund.
Student state fund.
Yeah.
Government gives a scholarship to SC, ST people.
Yes,
And you have given scholarship to 8 students from student state fund.
Yes,
Amount in
from
rupees
college.
4,000 in 15-16.
Cultural activities. The institution promotes co-curricular activities by developing their cultural outlook. The cultural department of our institution takes part in the youth festival organized by Shivaji University Colorado. Cultural department have achieved good outputs at the different competitions at university level, inter-university level and state level. The achievements in the academic year 2014-15, our college achieved first rank in street play, and 2015-16 second rank in the group song. Regular activities which cultural department conducts every year are the celebration of cultural day, participating in social groups and activities, performing one act play, street plays on social issues, organizing various cultural programs. Water solution problems.
What are harvesting?
In this area, water problem is here.
Conservation.
Water harvesting.
Conservation of water.
Yeah, fine. Okay, sir. Okay.
And aims to implicate social welfare in students and to provide services to society without bias. NSS volunteers work in ensure that everyone who is needy gets help to enhance their standard of living and lead of life of dignity. In doing so, volunteers learn from people in villages to live a good life. A special NSS camp. Following are the regular activities carried out of NSS every year: campus cleaning, rallies, tree plantation, guest lectures, celebrations of various days, plastic eradictions, blood donation camps, SB checkup camps, avoid pollution, provision of open air toilet and plastic, open air toilet and plastic.
It is called as defecation, open defecation.
Yes, sir.
That HB checking camp, which is, what is that?
Hemoglobin.
Isn't it for
Ladies, just guide students to develop their sportsmanship. We have meritorious players to our credit, to mention some. 2012-13 state level gold medal in karate, Prathamesh Malwade. Second, 2013-14 national top in fifth powerlifting, Mr. Pankaj Mane. All India Malkham, Mr. Ruturaj Kulkarni. State gold powerlifting, Mr. Pankaj Mane. 2014-15 national top fifth powerlifting, Mr. Pankaj Mane. All India boxing, Mrs. Prema Deshmukh. State level gold medal powerlifting, Mr. Pankaj Mane. 15-16 all India boxing, Mr. Sajid Sheikh. State level silver boxing, Mr. Sajid Sheikh. And 16-17 all India taekwondo, Mr. Abhijit Jadhav. And West Zone table tennis, Mrs. Taramati Sadhgare. Organized various zonal tournaments in institutes from Gymkhana. Sports department organized various zonal tournaments in the institution. In the academic year 2014-15 organized women volleyball sport. In 2015-16 organized women kabaddi, and 2016-17 organized men and women table tennis zonal tournaments. Sports department conducts the following regular activities: International Yoga Day celebration, trekking camp, National Sports Day, cycle rallies and zonal and international tournaments, etc. Best practices in our institution. These are most best practices our conducted by our institution: cycle rally for military memory, self-employment, shield capital scheme, campus infrastructure, soft skill training.
What is the seed capital scheme?
Skill capital, the IDBI bank, then traveling
So we provide raw materials for them.
and raw material.
Raw materials.
We create the soap. We want to raw material for soap. And
You are producing soap here?
yes, in Diwali vacation, in Diwali period. Our program organized
Secondly, we will provide seed capital means funds, 10,000 rupees to students.
Okay.
They purchase the raw material in market
Okay.
and they making Diwali products.
Okay.
Lamps.
And
Lamps,
sell.
candles.
Okay.
And yes. Cans, soap, fidel,
Okay.
Candles.
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 So when once you give 10,000 as seed capital,
return the money.
Yes.
what is the total outcome?
Yes, they making Diwali products and sell in society.
That's fine, sir. What is the profit you have generated then?
They have some profits to spend exam fees and
Sir, the seed capital scheme is a very good scheme. Provided if you give 10,000 rupees, what is your return on investment? What they have done and what is the profit? If you don't have anything now, we cannot take it now. It's a very good practice. But then we need to have the evidence of that. If you have done it for 2 years, 2 years, how much money the children have generated?
Should I show you find?
yes.
And we'll see it later, but you make clear that it is available.
Yes.
And what is this campus interview? Sir, please. Please, sir.
We gather students and another company is called here and select the students and they
So how many students are placed through the campus interview?
eight students selected
Which year?
in IDBI bank and
40 students are number.
Yes.
8 students are selected.
So we have all the details with us. You will explain
This is going to be expensive.
Sorry, it will be
This
explained.
will explain my.
Okay.
Like that.
Prepare the report and we have read.
Yeah, and for past 7 years you are
Prepare that should be more.
Yeah, then
It will be better.
future plan, proper library building, proper auditorium, PG courses.
What do you mean by proper library building?
Proper library building is
You want to
In process.
You want to construct a new library building.
New library, yes.
Because the existing library building is inadequate.
yeah, very small. Yeah.
Same is the case with the auditorium.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
You propose to start PG courses.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Boys and girls common rooms are there now. You say they
Small,
are there.
small room.
Small rooms are there.
Big rooms is there.
You do not have plans to construct the boys hostel, construct boys and girls hostels.
Yes. That's fine.
You didn't tell us anything the percentage of your college
Yeah.
in comparison with the university.
University average. And
University average.
there are
How many are first
there
class
are-
no, no.
pass?
Sir, there are few information we require from you. One is what
In the
sir
SSR, it is not made clear.
the result, because all these things are there, basic things. We want to know about the students' results, students' progression to higher education.
The information is there, but you are not compared the pass percentage of your college with the pass percentage of the university.
Yeah,
That you have not.
and
You
one
have
more thing.
compared it with the local colleges located in Satara.
No, here is only one college, here is the seat.
Let it be, but there are.
But you have compared your pass percentage with other colleges.
Yeah,
No.
your
You
universities
have-
are actually
high.
high.
SSR मध्ये आहे.
Yeah.
In SSR it is there, but you are not compared with the university average. So that is better.
And one important thing more we want to know is what are the suggestions given by the first committee and what are the things that you have carried out during the second cycle. That we want to know.
Yes, sir.
Compliance report.
That should be in your presentation without fail. No? That should be there. The recommendations is the first
Recommendations and
and
what steps you have taken to fulfill that. I IQAC coordinator should be ready.
Yes,
Back
Yeah,
to ready.
and please don't waste time in between. You have to please come and
Yes.
that's the detail. That's the
And
reason.
our duplication.
Yeah.
Basic- Sacker Park,
Our principal.
Yes, sir. Please.
This is some basics moving to second cycle.
Yeah.
Submission of LOI, preparation of SSR.
That's fine, sir.
Next.
Just make quick.
IQAC monitoring, some process. Yeah. Our college run this process certificate course in fashion designing, certificate course in spoken English, certificate course in banking, certificate course in insurance.
Now, are you is this under IQAC?
Yes, sir.
Oh,
These courses are not affiliated from Shivaji University, but our college run these courses.
that's fine. That's fine.
And you give the certificates.
You have the details of students taking a peace program.
In fashion designing course, 20 girls admitted in this course.
This year.
Every year.
Huh?
Every year.
Every year.
Every year.
Only 20 is the intake.
Because infrastructure and
That's
facility.
fine. That's fine. Okay.
MTCL is a government, this one.
Government. Maharashtra Knowledge.
Yeah, Maharashtra
Yes.
Knowledge Consortium.
Consultant, yes. And spoken English course is we conduct exit level student,
Okay.
last year student.
Okay.
All BA, BCom, last year
That's fine.
student.
That's fine.
And certificate course in banking we conduct only students, also conduct commerce students. Modi scripts who will interested in that course, I will give admission to them. And, they
Because of this certificate programs, do they get any job? Do you have any statistics?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Tally course, banking course, and fashion designing course. Our some girls, some students start their own business for fashion designing.
Fine. Okay.
Next.
No, you wait for a minute.
Wait, sir.
As a coordinator of the IQAC cell, you concentrate more on students mentoring, remedial classes, feedback from the students. Then this AAA committee report, and then what is called as organization of the conferences, seminars. Yeah. If you cover these things now in the presentation, it will be much better.
Yes, sir.
Other things are not required.
Yes, sir. Yes. Recommendation, realistic.
Okay, but just tell us the recommendations and the steps taken.
Sir, good.
Who knows? No, who knows?
This is some recommendations. Expanded action for the UGC recognition of
You have got the.
permanent affiliation
Okay.
and 2F and 12B. Then UGC, we in 2F, 12B.
The second recommendation you show us.
Sir, please.
Start new courses such as BBA. This recommendation you are not complied with. BBA you are not started. BC started not.
BSc.
AFC.
They had not recommended to start the BSc program. That we have done.
And next recommendation we are completed, sir. Some courses are sir. Teachers be motivated to take up research in local relevant areas. We done faculty members completed PhD work taking local research topics. And some students in our institutes complete research works. So here is the economics subjects, third year students complete the survey in nearest village. And linkage with the local NGOs, MOU. Our institute MOU with international NGO, Bahai Academy, Panchgani. And state NGO, Yashwantrao Chavan School of Social Work.
What recommendation was to have linkages with the local NGOs.
That is fine, but what are you doing with that MOU, international NGO? What are you doing with? What is the linkage for?
Just we conduct programs before 1 month in spiritual values. And Baha'i Academy and our institute students, both of collaboration, we select one village, nearest village,
Okay.
and go there and awareness for cleanliness.
That is what NSS people do.
Yeah, for awareness, giving awareness to the local people on cleanliness.
Yeah,
Why
this
should
is
have an
good.
international MOU? Why should you have an international MOU? That you can give without any MOU, you can give awareness, no?
Hello.
Is it Baha'i?
Baha'i Academy.
This as much as I remember, this Panchadani is a tribal.
Nations in America and
How
all
many?
over India.
In
they are
India,
working-
only Baha'i is there.
Baha'i.
Panchadani.
Huh.
Yeah, because you should first associate with the local NGO
Huh.
Yes.
related to Panchadani and then go to the international so that work will be better.
Ji.
Because I know that there is some Bhasha.
These are the local NGO. Yashodhara Chavan School of Social Work, Jakatwadi. Jakatwadi is Janta Vikas Samstha in Medha.
Sir, this school social work, what are you doing for the school?
This is the MSW course is there. Yashodhara Chavan
You have MSW?
Huh?
You have MSW in the college?
No sir.
No. What are you doing with the school?
Huh.
Because of the MOU, what is your work in the school? What are you doing?
It is School of Social Work.
Where?
Jakatwadi, nearby Satara.
That is fine, sir.
Huh.
How are you associated? This is an NGO.
With this social work.
with this MOU, what is your activity?
Our some students admitted in this course after graduation.
Okay.
They come here, and our students and the school students both are they arrange some programs for society. Street play, as like street play, awareness program, like
Okay, fine.
we have conducted.
We show us the documents on that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next, please.
Shramik Janta in Medha, local NGO.
Okay. Next, please.
Next.
College canteen. Do you have a canteen? Canteen is provided.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Our college canteen is.
Okay.
Students are using it.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
And but health center we do not provide it because inadequate funds and infrastructure facility. The institution does not provide a health center.
Okay.
But we arrange a local physician for health related issues in the college. The physician visits the college once a week.
Where from you visits?
From Medha.
There is a public health center in Medha.
Yes.
He comes.
He comes.
Or you can go to him.
But periodically he is coming here. How frequently?
Every Saturday. When we
Otherwise-
call them, they will come here.
Whenever you call him, he will come. Not every Sunday, every
It
Saturday.
is not.
Every Saturday he will come.
Whether there are patients or not.
None. Yes.
Every Saturday
He will
he
come.
comes and sits in one of the rooms.
Saturday is a working day.
Yes, sir.
So calling him when the student falls ill is different. Every Saturday that fellow coming to the college and waiting for the patients to come to him is different.
They will come every Saturday.
You have any data on the visit and the type of diseases
Evidence for
handled?
that visit.
Evidence you have?
Yes, sir. Coming figures.
Now there is no point in consulting the women's hostel because all are local students
Yes, sir.
who will come and stay here. It's a waste of funds.
That may be a recommendation to the students.
If the recommendation comes from the student, then we can say. But he will usually.
That may be the reason why the committee has recommended.
Probably there might be many laborers on daily wages. If they are going, at least the guards have some place to stay.
That's all.
That's all.
So library automation is completed. Library automation is completed.
Completed,
As
sir.
porters.
Okay.
Compact software they are used in library.
Now we'll go to the library at that time.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And infrastructure is maybe expanded on a priority basis. The
End of the
recommendation.
recommendation.
Second floor our institute constructed includes a seminar hall, 4 classrooms, 6 departments and staff room.
Okay.
Next slide. This is the library automation and the office automation.
That we will see later.
Huh.
Have you got the minutes of meeting of IQAC with you?
Yes, sir.
Can
Yes,
you show
sure.
it? Minutes of meeting of IQAC.
Meeting with alumni associations, etc. We have meetings with
Students,
yes, with students,
alumni,
with non-teaching staff.
teaching
So
staff.
for each and every so meetings we have produced each and independent proceedings.
Okay, show one. So you go with the presentation. I'll see this. The page itself, see,
The writing is
the,
about.
the purpose of minutes is to handwrite the minutes and sign. Now you have made every place you have pasted one printout.
Economics department. We are organized in financing, inclusion and rural development.
National seminar, it was a national seminar.
G.
So, how many participants were there from other than Maharashtra state?
Other than Maharashtra state,
To become a national seminar, people from all over the country should attend that.
few participants are.
If only Maharashtrians attend, then it will not become a state national seminar. It will become a state seminar.
No, national participant out of Maharashtra state.
How many people are
participants? Few 10, 12.
Now you have to be very specific.
Very specific with numbers, sir. So we are here to cross with a certain detail.
You call
Give you the best possible
some people
quotes.
organize international seminars where only Indians attend. Then it cannot be called as an international seminar. Like that here also. When you call it as a national seminar, people from all over the country should come. Not only the people
The
from
details
Maharashtra.
record in economics department, they will present the presentation of
Sir, whoever is doing the presentation, they should have the details. Otherwise, no, we should keep on postponing from the principal to everyone, keep on. So your IQAC minutes show that it is a ready-made minutes. It is not 2012 signed. 2012 meeting is signed now. So we manipulate on this and show us. So this is a ready-made document, sir. Because this seal is very fresh. It is 2012.
Recently we make.
You accept your ignorance.
Yes, sir.
Let us don't indulge in defending the indefensible.
Sir.
We are all teachers.
Huh.
We accept and we accept if you admit your ignorance and go ahead.
Sir, we are proceeding in Marathi.
Right, Marathi, you should have shown the proceeding in Marathi only.
Somebody
sir.
told us that is not formula, that is not formation of proceeding. But you are print out and speak up and then
No, we are not taking objection to that. What professor is saying is, you have prepared it on the eve of the visit of the NAC team.
Yes, sir.
See what
And we are taking
sir's point is
That is not what is expected.
Sir's point is very important. You run your meetings on Marathi, record it in Marathi,
Marathi only.
on that day. But give us a file in English telling that this is the original, this is the translated version.
So you can show us the Marathi
Yeah.
documents.
There is no document. See,
No
there is no
document.
document available.
Just show the Marathi documents.
There is no document. It is all papers, and all papers are taken on the same day and sealed. This seal is 2017. This is seal is 2012. Making the institution more friendly to the children. That is the purpose. You create documents and show us like this, it's not going to do anything for us.
The purpose will be defeated.
Purpose is defeated. You are in second cycle. Now when the third cycle is coming, again we will do the same thing. And if you understand, NAC peer team member requires in English, you have English department very much, you make your documents in English itself.
I am from Indian department.
Let it be, sir. That is
You
not
take
our
their
problem.
help.
You take the
There
help.
is nothing wrong in taking the help of your fellow colleague.
And you are speaking English. You are in Hindi department. You are speaking English. You have an English department. Put a person from English department into IQAC. Who stops? Who stops? So let him make the agenda and let him write the minutes of the meeting. You cannot sign. You can read and understand English. No, that's much enough. The members like us, we come from different states and we may not be able to read Marathi. You know that's a requirement. Do it in English. Who stops you? Or you keep both. So otherwise, what we'll understand, it's all cooked up.
Nobody has put the dates.
Everywhere there should be signature with date. Otherwise, it is a manipulation. Example, you do it today, you put sign today with today's date. After 5 years, you need not have to worry. And that 5 years old document and fresh document, we can see and understand. No, not cooking up and manipulating. Yeah.
No dates.
Any document without the so every document should carry signature with date.
Huh? Actually, other signatures are also you are not taken.
Okay, fine.
On
Sir.
many pages.
So what is the role of IQAC in preparing the SSR?
This is not expected.
Yeah. Please tell us. What is the role of IQAC?
हाँ, वो can understand.
No,
हिंदी-
भी कोई परेशानी
जी,
नहीं,
सर।
आप बताइए।
हिंदी में बताइए।
हाँ, ये एसएसआर बनाते हो हमने जो ये 7 क्राइटेरिया है उस 7 क्राइटेरिया का अलग अलग हेड बनाया और उसके अंदर एक कमेटी बनाई और हाँ वो उसमें एक कमेटी बनाई और 7 क्राइटेरिया के 7 हेड और उनके अंदर जो कमेटी है जो सदस्य हैं उनको मिला के वो क्राइटेरिया का काम पूरा किया। ऐसे करके सब 7 क्राइटेरिया का एक साथ बैठकर हमने उसको रीडिंग किया।
तो इसका कोई स्टीयरिंग अलग है
हाँ।
और नैक स्टीयरिंग कमेटी अलग है।
हाँ
वो
नहीं मतलब एक
steering
है आईपीएससी के मेंबर जो है वही नेक्स्ट स्टीयरिंग कमेटी में है।
लेकिन स्टीयरिंग कमेटी का काम अलग होता है,
हाँ।
आईक्यूएसी का काम अलग होता है।
अलग।
हाँ। तो दोनों इधर आईक्यूएसी में कर नहीं सकते। आईक्यूएसी का काम अलग है।
सो फाइनल ड्राफ्ट किसने किया? फाइनल ड्राफ्ट किसने किया?
वो प्रोफेशनल जो एक एजेंसी है
दैट इज व्हाट यू वांट टू नो।
नहीं,
इट इज आउटसोर्स सर।
सब टाइप करने का काम-
टाइपिंग कर लिया या लिख लिया उनके
नहीं नहीं
पास?
टाइपिंग कर लिया हम क्या वो सब
तो
रिकॉर्ड आया
जो साहब टाइपिंग कर लो, आप टाइपिंग कर लो,
हाँ।
लेकिन उनके पास लिख कर नहीं
नहीं लिया
वो तो
लिखा हमने
ऑब्जेक्शनेबल है वो।
हाँ।
लेकिन आप हमको तो आपने लिखवाया गया है ऐसा मालूम होता है उसमें।
नहीं सर आज उसको फाइनल करने के लिए
नहीं,
दिया
जो भी हकीकत है वो हमको बता दो।
So what we have done when it was decided that we are supposed to send SSS members also, we had called all the members.
That's all
the
normal
meeting.
things.
So what we have done on our institutional level, we had divided.
No, you have done that, but our charge is you have got the SSR
No.
written from a professional
No,
third
no,
party
the only
by
thing-
paying the fees to him.
No,
You accept this or not?
We tried, we attempted a lot because all the data which we had typed, it was in Word and it was very difficult to compile it in PDF format. The only thing we had hired the person to compile was the PDF format only. Else there is no role of any other external
Okay,
agency.
go ahead.
Yes, in this.
Fine.
There, yes.
That's fine, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Sir, the role of IQAC is very important. IQAC is not an individual. So people retire and go.
Fine.
But IQAC is the nerve center of any institution.
Right.
If IQAC fails to identify
Yes, sir.
problems and
Yes, sir.
rectify that,
Yes, sir.
institution will not grow.
Fine, sir. Yes.
And you have told you have made 7 committees for 7 criteria. Is there anybody in IQAC who knows everything about the SSR?
Yes, sir.
Who is that?
The coordinator also knows and the people who have actively
Let
participated. in that.
anybody make any criteria, but then there should be someone who is going through the entire
Exactly.
details and then
हाँ.
working on that.
So even we are going to present the slide. We have compared it. The previous cycle.
You finish it first.
Yes,
Fine, go ahead.
criteria was we have presented, sir.
National.
One national seminar and all our workshops.
Yes. And national seminar also it is a state seminar.
It's more a regional.
That means after the first visit, you have not conducted any national seminars. Only in 2017 you have conducted 2 days before the submission of IPSSR.
Yes.
That is where the problem comes. It needs to be a continuous process.
No, sir. Initially we had sent proposals to UGC also. Department of English, we ourselves have submitted it, but it unfortunately did not accept it. Even Hindi department, means we were in the process. But unfortunately we didn't get any sort of grants from UGC. So on our level, we had
Self-funded. Sir,
yes,
is there any registration fee for the outside participants?
yes, it was there.
How much?
500, 600. More than
So
one.
even without funding, you can run the seminars, national level seminars.
Ji.
You have to do some marketing, get people from the other colleges, they get money, invite
Industries.
those persons.
See, Hindi department conducted one seminar,
Huh.
one workshop.
Workshop.
Was it before the revised syllabus came into being or after?
After.
What purpose it serves? Not called as a workshop on revised syllabus. It's a workshop on pedagogy.
No sir, in Shivaji University Kolhapur, when they revised the syllabus,
After the revision is over, I will conduct the
It is
workshop.
a training.
no,
It is like that. It is like what book to read, how much one chapter should be taught, how it should be taught. It is more on pedagogy. Then revised syllabus to the students.
It is conducted
That
by
you discuss.
sir. Yes.
So it is not a syllabus. It is not a workshop on revising the syllabus.
Revising the syllabus.
No, that's why they have
That,
submitted
And
Revising they say.
And
It is
it's
a
a
workshop.
Revised.
Does it make any impact on pedagogy?
Which were provided by the university itself.
It is
You
not a
can show
workshop
the
on revising
revised certificates.
So the university has conducted the workshop?
Exactly. Whenever syllabus is revised by
Okay,
the
so
university.
university has conducted the workshop, then what is your role?
They have asked
No, no.
this college to conduct the workshop.
We had received the sanction letter that the workshop should be conducted in our college.
Oh, this is a venue. This is a
Exactly.
venue.
Yeah.
Exactly.
That means you are not conducting the workshop. University has made this is
In
a venue.
collaboration with.
Logistics they have
In
given.
collaboration with. In collaboration with.
Okay,
University and our college.
Most of the workshops are like that only.
Exactly.
One day university level workshop catches.
Because sir, college rule means we cannot carry on or run any sort of workshop which is
That's all.
on
See,
revised syllabus.
sir, university is conducting a workshop using your college as a venue. Go ahead. Yeah, fine. Next, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Please move.
Listen, please.
Please move, sir. Who's the next department?
Preparation of academic calendar by IQAC every year.
Sir, academic calendar is prepared by the university has given and given to you. And that again is not a quality initiative. It is given to the university, no?
We are making every year academic calendar for quality progress our students as like
Yeah,
our
tell
students.
us that the quality initiatives that you have made during the last 5 years in teaching and
To enhance the quality of teaching and learning, what steps IQAC has taken?
has taken.
That is this question.
Guest lectures.
Conferences, remedial classes,
Study material.
Remedial
Study distribution of study material.
institute. ICT टूल्स जो है उसका भी ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इस्तेमाल हमने उसमें किया है.
How many LCDs you have in the college?
45 LCDs.
45 LCDs?
Sorry.
Computers.
You don't have 45 classrooms.
No,
no,
45 computers they have. What is it?
Then three, yes.
Sorry sir. 3 LCD in our college. और इसमें हम क्या
और ये किधर है?
है अब हम क्या करते हैं कि क्वालिटेटिव स्टूडेंट्स के लिए हर सब्जेक्ट में उसका इस्तेमाल करते हैं. हमारे हिंदी के लिए भी हम SYBA के स्टूडेंट को
ये बात
एक
बोलिए,
दिखाते हैं.
ये सिर्फ 3 ही LCDs हैं.
हाँ.
अब सर
ऊपर हॉल सेमिनार हॉल में एक
अभी
लगाया है.
BA BCom BSc मॉर्निंग और आफ्टरनून शिफ्ट है. 2 units है. One is here.
One is
Two
here,
of it.
the one is in seminar hall.
That do not used by the teachers.
Yeah, and the
I will say that how you say ICT is used in teaching.
exactly. This one room is in the corner. So over there we have one LCD. Here is one LCD, and at the seminar hall we
So
have.
they are not installed in the lecture halls.
Yeah, we do not
So
have.
teachers cannot use that to
Exactly.
teach.
Yes.
Let us be very clear.
Exactly.
Let us not beat behind the bush and don't try to take us for a ride.
Yes, sir.
We are not ordinary people who are put in that case. So everything is protected.
But sir, whenever it's a necessary.
Whatever, no, we all appreciate honesty and sincerity. Don't misrepresent the facts. This is not good.
Sir, how often you conduct a meeting? Once in a year?
4 times
A year?
In a year.
Impossible, sir.
Give us the
Documents.
constitution of the IPSC.
They have given. First, second slide you have given.
Otherwise also 4 times, what is the necessity?
First, once more, that constitution of IPSC.
So before the presentation, you should have some economic, accountancy, librarian, and how many external members, sir? Management representative, student representative, alumni representative, and external expert IPSC coordinator.
Industry.
Okay, with this group, find this 15 people, how often you conduct meeting?
All 15 together.
Yeah.
4 times in a year.
Why, sir? Why 4 times?
July, August.
4 times in a year.
4 times in
So
a year.
in 5 years, 20 meetings you have held.
Where is the document?
Proceeding.
No, sir, this document does not mean anything. Because it's all
Give us the notices of the
communication given to them.
Invitation letters.
given to them. Huh?
Show.
We are sent email. By email we are sent notice to them.
Can you show an email of 2012 or 13 or 14?
Has he attended the meeting?
What is the suggestion given? Has he acted?
Suggestions to campus interview.
Where is that?
Our meeting internal.
Again, sir, all the members are cordially invited for this meeting. It is not a communication to the industrial person. The communication when we send the communication to the individual. That is the copy needed. It's an open statement. We are going to conduct. It is like my son's marriage is there, all should come. It is like that.
Industrialist is a member. He was a Moite. Industrialist, 13 number. He has not attended this meeting.
So you say more things, it will create more problems only. One meeting with all the papers that
He had called the meeting of the IPSC on 30th February 2013. For that meeting also, Moite was not present. So you have taken the signatures of the people available here.
we are here. So we only discuss program
Almost every college.
every college. So what is the comparative results in the nearby colleges? University average is not available, but this you can take. No, if you take, you say
Whether your department is efficient or not, who can know only when
Only
you
when
compare
we
your
are-
performance
Yes.
with the performance of other. See, if their performance is 95%, then we say that you are still lagging behind them.
that is the purpose of looking for university average or the average of the nearby colleges.
Comparative picture we should have, no?
The university had the system.
I have gone personally to the university and obtained that data.
That's fine. Anyway, those data is available, sir. If you want, we'll get. Okay, fine. And
To 25% only till last year. Last year we started with distance education. Hardly anybody goes to regular.
Higher education.
so progression to higher education is almost nil.
Almost nil.
Then whatever that is given in the SSR is bogus. In the SSR it is said that 22% to the students.
Progress to higher.
No, there are students from political science, some economics.
Okay, not from English.
Not from
English.
From English only, we have Shivaji College, which is almost in Satara only. So that distance and then economic condition of the parents, it depends on if the facilities are available.
Okay.
So
That's
then political science because of the economic conditions in English. Then how do they go for higher education in other subjects? Same type of people, you know.
Even a few of them also go, few students from the department also go for higher
Then you
education.
should say that, you know.
They are telling almost nil. They are telling.
Almost nil is, I mean, every year the
So
one
almost
of
nil
them
is nil.
we try to.
You
You will be
are
surprised.
motivated. You merely lip sympathy will not help you.
This is one of the
Persuade them.
subject which has
You
got
will meet the
maximum
parents.
demand now.
Dr. Saram Kanish and
Let me have seen, come to the publications.
publications
Research, when you say PhD, we know that you have done research.
for 5 years.
That's 5 years.
For 5 years.
Okay.
What is the impact factor of these journals?
Around 2.
Sir, total number of publications in 5 years, how much?
15.
15 international. This I suggest international. This I is for international. This N is for national and state level. So
Okay.
you are following the university pattern. We have slightly violated it, and we have tried to make it a survey type of research. We sent our students to different.
Don't say violated. You can say you have
It's
innovated
a modification, sir,
Yeah.
because the university recommends individual.
No, violation is a negative terminology.
Okay, sir.
It's a use-
Violation is punishable.
It is quite punishable. Instead, don't use the other.
Like this.
But we have modified it.
Yeah, you can say modified.
We have modified it,
Okay.
and instead of, in the first 2 years, I noticed that they simply go on searching on internet and try to copy the data and simply bring those copies to us. So I thought we need to change it. So how can we change? So we had a meeting with all the heads, and we decided to make it a survey type of original data would be created.
This is a part of the curriculum.
Which is, yes.
It's a part of
It
the
is
curriculum.
How do you call it student research?
It is not. It is part of the curriculum. Some.
We conduct some lectures for research.
How do you bring it under the title of research? You have students
It's a
are
part of the
research
curriculum.
survey.
Is it not?
Students are
It is a part of the curriculum.
It's a part of curriculum, but it is not mentioned like that by the university.
Then
Okay.
what the-
I'm doing my MSc from Mysore College, Sattara.
doing MSc.
You are doing or you have done? You have done your MSc.
Yes.
करता है क्या केला है?
झालंय सर,
झालंय.
complete झालंय.
आता आणि नेट सेट बसलाय तुम्ही?
Try केलं सर एक exam.
हम्म.
आता next form भरणार आहे exam.
माझं प्रीनासाठी याच इयरला मी जॉईन झाले होते.
नाही त्यांना मराठी कळत नाही त्यांना इंग्लिशमध्ये सांगायला पाहिजे. In which year you finished your MSc?
2016.
From which university?
कोल्हापूर युनिव्हर्सिटी YCS कॉलेज.
Okay.
सातारा.
Okay.
You have cleared the net exam. Net set exam you have cleared.
Yes.
How much salary you are paid?
700.
7,000. You will get the salary every month.
Yes, we can scale.
महिन्या मिळते पगार तुम्हाला. काय कसं मिळते? अकाउंटला जमा करतात.
नाही by hand.
By hand. कोण देतं by hand?
Cashier.
So come to university results. Yes, come to university results.
of scientific research and education.
Where is it published from?
Yeah.
Where is it published from?
From the Journal of Current Science, published from this college, and
This is an internal journal.
yeah,
And how do you call it as international journal?
yeah, this is the international journal.
The name of the journal itself is international.
And this is published from your college.
Yeah,
And how do you call it international?
so it having the 2.5 at factor and in the recognized journal by the university as well as the
It is not published, it is published from this
In this college only.
no,
No.
in journal they
No,
edited.
no, I don't
Sir,
think
where
this
is that journal published from?
Who is the publisher of that journal?
Dr. V.V. Pawar.
And V.V. Pawar is the professor working in this college.
Yes.
It cannot be called as an international
We
journal.
are talking about the authorities.
Can you show the copy of the
They have
journal?
shown me
Where is that?
yesterday. You cannot call it as an international
Where is
journal.
the copy of the journal which you are calling now? International Journal of Scientific Research.
Professional journals.
And you
This
say
is not a
that,
professional journal.
sir, this complex concept of biodiversity,
Yeah.
you say the impact factor is 2.5?
2.05.
Who has
Okay,
calculated?
who has calculated that?
How you have calculated that?
I really don't know, sir.
Huh?
So
20?
yeah, but always that makes the
What is the intake capacity for your course?
120,
120
Yeah.
or simply 20?
120 for BSc first, 120 for BSc second, and 120 for BSc third.
Yeah,
But
then
only-
120 you are getting 20.
Now in BSc 2 there were 63 students.
Yeah.
And how come for BSc 3 there are only 10? Where the
Because,
23 people went?
admission of the BSc first student is less in BSc first, so they come to BSc
No,
third.
in BSc 2 63 students were there now.
Yeah,
Where and in BSc 3 only 10 people have come to you.
that I would.
You have only 10. What is the percentage?
I think.
Not even 1%.
Yeah. But sir, the admission of student is less, no? For F1, 120 or 154 students are admitted
No,
for first.
103 students have taken admission for
Yes,
first place.
right, sir.
Only 10 have come to your specialization.
Yes.
Isn't it?
No, it is to the 100 we should take because they might have come to third year in 2017.
Yeah.
2015.
Certificate for
Yes,
BSc.
yes.
Any copy?
Is there
I
any
basic
And what are the
card-
admission?
66.
and in 66 means newly admitted students?
Yeah.
That includes 44
No, no,
students
no,
also.
no, no, sir. This will go BSc up.
They will come to
44 would have come to
13,
20.
14,
Yeah.
44 will come to BSc 2.
Yes.
So where 24 students are then?
In 44, they come to 20 for 13, 14, second year.
That
44
means
are
only 20
available.
have passed.
Yeah.
Only 20 have passed.
No, no, this come for botany. Only
Botany.
for subject,
Botany.
Yeah.
So out of 44, 20 came to botany.
Yeah, we have prepared a
And
group
BSc
of
3
subjects.
becomes 4 only.
Yeah.
6 papers relate to botany only.
Yes, for third year.
For third year only.
For third.
That's why they are given
They are
the degree.
common for first
What happens is in the third year, all 6 papers relate to botany only.
Yeah. They have
That's
4 papers for traditional
That
science
that makes
and
sense
4
in
papers for
colleges.
traditional science.
So all 6 papers are related to botany only. That's why they are given the degree in botany. Very good. You should be able to explain that to us very clearly.
Yeah.
Okay. And it's okay now.
How many of them pursue higher education? How many of them join for MSc?
2 are joined for MSc.
Out of this 12 students, how many gone for MSc?
2.
2. Where they are studying?
One is the Mumbai University. I think only one.
Fine.
Not because these students from this local area, the parents are not allowed to go anywhere to other colleges.
Okay, sir. What are your teaching methodologies?
My teaching methodologies, apart from the lectures, I take the seminars, animations, PowerPoint, ICT tools, guest lectures.
What tell me about
So,
that's fine.
and that-
Okay.
and I insist you to please visit the class platform, which is the World Heritage, and it is near to this Mera College.
Okay,
We
sir.
are fortunate.
Fine, sir. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
God bless you.
Yes.
The research papers we presented and published in seminars, state level, national level, international level.
So international level.
Local administration. Kerala Institute of Local Administration, Kila, Thrissur. Deepening democracy in the area of international solidarity. And
How many international speakers were there? Who has gone? You have gone? Gaikwad, Sunil.
Gaikwad, Sunil.
Okay. How many international speakers were there?
actually, in 3 sessions.
These are the teaching methods which we usually follow.
What is the use of ICT?
It is more convenient for us, and then sometimes we also go online on laptops. Even we on laptops.
Tell some example of going online through laptop.
Like some videos we show to our department of political science, third year political science students, because they are less in numbers. We can show on laptop in our classroom also, or in our department also. So on YouTube.
Do you show them parliament sessions live?
Not actually, but we have shown them the making of constitution. That was one video we have shown. Then some videos related to World War, human rights. That was online we have shown them.
Your political science department, no?
Huh.
Why don't you show them live parliament?
Yes, we have to show
Have
them.
discussion. See, when you say ICT, lot of people have a misconception using LCD is ICT. LCD is
Live parliament is shown on which TV?
that
Lok
you have
Sabha,
to take them
Rajya
to
Sabha.
website.
These
on
are
which it's
channels.
live. That is ICT.
So
It
it's
is not
not
that using this tool.
Live
This was
parliament
there
sessions
for
are
the
shown on
last
which
25
TV?
years. The term ICT
There are some
is being
particular
used
channels for
last
live
5
shows
years only.
on TV.
Use of information
Lok Sabha, Rajya
communication
Sabha.
technology,
These are the names of
not
channels.
showing slides.
These are the names of the channels
Yes, yes.
where live parliament sessions are shown.
No, we haven't shown on. In department we haven't shown it.
You have seen them?
Yes, on not on laptop, but I have seen in home in my home, which shows live sessions of
Okay,
Lok Sabha.
ma'am. Ma'am, other than the syllabus, what do you show them in political science?
that is not in our.
That is history, madam.
But it's still related to political
That's
science.
fine.
International politics is our in our syllabus.
But international politics, there are a lot of new changes in international political scenario
Yeah.
than the history.
Yes.
So you can tell them you read the history. What is happening in the parliament of New Zealand or England or US or Sri Lanka, you can show that there are a lot of political changes. Especially cross-border issues are very, very big now.
Yes.
And our Prime Minister has visited almost all countries. There are a lot of political.
You are a doctorate?
No, I'm doing PhD.
What is your area of research?
My area is. I'm sorry, I'm a little bit nervous.
So you have started now or you have?
I have submitted my synopsis.
You have submitted your synopsis.
Yes.
So you don't. That's why you are not familiar with it.
It is about study of women representative in municipality of Satara and Rahimapur. Socio-economic politics of women representative in Satara municipality and
Socio-economic politics.
Yes.
The subject itself is
Politics cannot be socio-economic.
Yes, sir, it can be. Yes, politics is related to each and every part of society. Economics also has large impact on politics, sir.
But at research level, politics has a different connotation.
The recent trend you asked, we have shown, sir, Israel and Palestine crisis on photographs. I have also shown that.
Why not India-China crisis? Why not India-Kashmir crisis?
And that.
Why not India-Bangladesh crisis?
Videos on these issues are not available.
Photographs I have shown.
It's available in the newspaper. And every TV channel in India is celebrating those things, no?
Yeah.
Why can't you get the clippings and show the children?
Yes, we have to do that, sir. We will
Yeah.
definitely do it.
Ma'am, in 10 years, if you produce one politician from your department,
How many
how is that?
faculty members are there in the department?
2 of us.
Yeah, you are a doctorate.
No, I am also. I also.
Group
Review process.
discussion, we
Especially,
give some subject to
separate state demand in India, special reference to
in
Vidarbha.
front of other students.
Who is your
We make
Dr.
groups.
Harsh Chakra.
That's fine. How do you monitor?
No, we don't.
You don't monitor?
particularly monitor, but we.
Sir, IQAC, sir, group discussion is a very good methodology provided you have the clear data. You say group discussion, we give subjects and we don't mind them. That is not the way. You should identify
How
the best
many
group,
of
the
your
best
students
tutor.
have gone for higher studies?
Higher studies. Last year, 2 of our students have gone for higher studies.
Where are they pursuing?
In Shivaji University.
Now we want the data for the last 5 years.
Okay, and that is in our department issue.
Your department. Your department is
But
the
I haven't
percentage
mentioned it here, sir.
rank in the last 5 years. Okay, fine. Percentage of passes.
Yes.
Anybody who has appeared for,
Services.
do you motivate the students to
Yes,
apply
of
for
course.
that?
Yeah, of course, we motivate.
Have your efforts yielded any results?
Actually,
So
it's
because of
about,
motivation, has anybody thought of appearing for the civil service
yes,
exams?
some students are.
Some means what? Some means
Some
what?
means particularly
None of us. Some if
because 3 of our students have selected for a police constable, sir. Because this area is very rural and the people here don't have that much of big dreams and goals. Constable is very much for that.
You have to motivate them.
Yes,
No?
we always do that, sir. But
Ah.
still, it's very hard situation here that they have to go outside and work for the family.
You have to.
Yes, we do that.
Otherwise, when these people will develop them?
Yes, we have started, sir. We motivate them.
When people come to the hilly areas,
Yes.
the people living in the hilly areas also should go out, no? People from all over the country come to Mahabadeshwar. Then when the people living in Mahabadeshwar will go out,
Yes.
you want them to remain in Mahabadeshwar?
No, we
only.
always tell our students that go for further studies and do MPSC, UPSC.
Okay, thank you. Do well. Finish your colleague has submitted the thesis. You also submit the thesis early.
Yes, sir. I'm trying hard. Thank you, sir. That's nice.
You are an expert in that.
Yes, yes.
You have generated some money, no, by
Yes, yes.
translating the
Yes.
Hindi and Marathi.
Modi script in Hindi and Marathi. Where
No,
from
no,
you
I
learned
have translated only Modi script in Marathi.
Marathi? Where from you learned that language?
When I was in college, I learned in that college, and then I gave examination conducted by Archaeology Department of Maharashtra. So I have passed it in O grade.
So people come to you with the request to translate the Modi script
Yes.
into Marathi,
Yes.
and you do that. But okay, it's a good thing.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. So go ahead.
Good morning, sir.
Avoid this initial things.
I am Amir Desai, working as Assistant Professor in Head Department of Commerce with my colleague Professor Narayan sir, Assistant Professor of Accountancy. Our department is established in year 2002. At the time of we are offering one regular courses BCom in accountancy, as well as we are offering two short-term courses that are certificate course in Tally and certificate course in insurance. I would like to say about one thing about these courses. We are organizing certificate course in Tally in 2013 as self-funded course. But now we have got Maharashtra government center for this course, the Tally course. So MKC is providing this course, and this is a very good activity for BCom second student. Tally ERP 9.1.
So far, how many students have qualified?
94 students are currently learning in this course.
Total in past 5 years. How many has?
No sir, actually we are having certificate course in self-funded course was in 12-13. At that time, total 12 students were at the course, and now
So in between you didn't have the course?
no.
But you are attending from 2013 you are doing it. 2013 you had and now only you are having.
Now
in between you had a break.
Because students are saying that our college certificate is not valuable in the market. So we are got trying for getting center of government of Maharashtra.
Yeah, then
Now
you please don't claim from since 2013.
Then you cannot say that it is your course.
No, you got the certificate.
It is a course offered by that agency. And you
But we are having teachers. We are providing the teachers.
No, where it is happening? It is happening
in
in
our
your
college.
given
We are
certificate.
appointed.
Okay.
who are the people?
They are Nole madam.
They are the teachers of this college.
Teachers of no, not teachers. We are appointed them.
That is the problem. It is not your program. Whatever
So somebody is running the program, they issue a certificate. And somebody is teaching the
these
program.
people collect the money from the students and you do that to that agency.
And see what is the
So how you say that it is your program?
What is
You-
the
when you are not
Actually,
involved
sir,
in
this course is very much costly. They are 4,000 per student is the fee. So,
what is your fee, sir?
but we are taking only 2,250.
Okay, 2,250. Out of this, how much you get to the college? How much you go to the
1,000 get to the college and
That is what.
in the rent of the building.
yeah.
So
The
it's
rent of
a,
the building.
Actually, sir, if we go to outside, the course is having only.
that is a different issue altogether.
Okay.
So what Sarah says is, if your teachers teach, you offer the degree, your certificate is given, you can claim.
Okay.
It is like you are running botany or you are running your BCom.
They are
BCom,
the-
you teach, you give certificate. Then you can claim. Now somebody else is.
And their program here and for nothing else.
And our second course is
So
70%.
so
And do
So
they
it is not the certificate program offered by your institute.
do they print the college name in the certificate?
No.
Then it's
Center
absolutely-
name is
Center name they mention.
whenever any
They
person
make the money.
goes for a job having tele certificate, they are asking for government certificate in Maharashtra. NKCL is the authorized government agency for providing such certificate. NKCL providing.
So same certificate goes in insurance also?
No, this is our college program.
Then how do they, this is also do not have the recognition problem?
No, sir, this is don't have recognition because students are don't have any problem with this course.
It
This is additional contribution.
software itself.
It's related. First, it is related to software.
Even then, when somebody is appointing someone in accounts with Tally, they look for the skill, whether he is able to operate Tally. It's not that he was given the certificate. Anyway, fine, that's good. Initial visit,
Yes.
that's the best practice.
That is of commerce day.
Okay.
We appointed in this college in year 2010, and we observed that the students of this college are lack of confidence and lack of stage daring. So we have started this activity, Commerce Day. This is a bunch of various activities like guest lecture, concept of commerce. Concept of commerce is a concept of basic concept of commerce which have been explained by the students. And the evaluation of these activities is done by our faculty. Then after role play, we conduct role play on commerce related issues like marketing.
What given to the students?
This student, the student having the notebook in hand, is an entrepreneur who want to become an entrepreneur. Girl want to become an
A
entrepreneur.
student who would like to become an entrepreneur.
The boy sitting over the bench is a government official. He is ignoring him. The second character is his friend who is telling her that he should not give up. And the other is a counselor.
Okay, fine.
And the sitting down lady is a grandma of that student.
Okay,
Actually,
fine.
this is a state
Right.
older person obstacle.
Level eligibility test.
Yes.
It is conducted by Maharashtra.
Maharashtra.
Then you don't
Pune
say-
University.
UGC is NET.
Yes.
National
We
eligibility.
should mention at Pune University.
Yes. No, you should mention is Maharashtra.
Yes, Maharashtra.
Okay.
Administration responsible for faculty.
How many years of service you have put in? Service.
7 years.
Have you registered for PhD?
Not sir, I am registered for MPhil.
PhD now, why
registered for?
MPhil in Pune University.
So 7 years is a good. You are a permanent faculty.
Yes, sir. My colleague is registered for PhD.
You should also think of.
You have net.
Yes, sir.
Set.
You are selected.
7 years is a big time for pursuing PhD.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Okay, fine.
And I don't see any publications from you.
Yes, sir. We proceeding and presentation paper in national and international levels. These are the publications.
You have become the member of ICA?
No.
Why?
You should get membership in professional bodies. Otherwise, no, you
No,
won't.
I am.
ICA member you have become?
We are member of only Sukumata is Shivaji University Commerce Business.
That's the state level.
Yes, yes.
That's a university, sir.
You become the member of ICA.
Teaching should be one in Marathi.
Myself, Sujit Kasare, assistant professor in economics, education qualification.
Myself,
assistant professor
Science, commerce.
and
And HOD present
Authority.
to take necessary action.
Actions.
So have you done that?
It will help to banking sector.
Have you done that? Have you passed?
No.
You didn't pass any resolutions. You people read the paper, ate in the afternoon and dispersed in the evening.
All paper published in journals.
But you should pass the resolutions and send the proceedings of the conference to the authorities so that they can incorporate your suggestions in the decisions that they take. Then the purpose of holding a seminar will be achieved, not otherwise.
Sir, you are in your department only, no, that's over.
Below than
Now when the
below than poverty line.
That is otherwise also we can say.
for that survey is not required.
Survey is not because as a general statement in India.
Survey is not required. All the villages live under the below poverty line only. Except
Yeah,
some people.
what exactly? See, you do survey mean there are numbers and figures, no? Correct numbers are there, no? How many samples you have taken?
100 samples.
100 samples. Like any number, 100 samples. You have analyzed the data, then you will come to one number, no? This percentage is above this percentage income group is this. Otherwise, as sir told, you can always say, okay, the people in hilly area, they are below poverty line. That is their economic status of India, they say that, no? Okay, sir.
को understand.
हिंदी येते तुम्हाला? हिंदी येते? हिंदी मध्ये बोलू शकते?
हाँ, क्या करते हैं बैंक में क्या होता है?
नेशनलाइज्ड बैंक में स्टूडेंट को जानकारी मिलने के बाद बैंकिंग वर्किंग सिस्टम कैसे होते हैं और ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम कैसे होते हैं.
इस सेमेस्टर में कितने बच्चे आते हैं?
20-25 स्टूडेंट को
20-25 क्या स्कीम है उसका?
और सिलेबस में स्वाइप
It's part of syllabus. It's part of syllabus.
You have
Commerce or arts?
कॉमर्स बीकॉम फैकल्टी बीकॉम सेकंड
बैंक अकाउंट्स.
There is a bank in Meda.
Yes.
कुठला bank आहे?
स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया, IDBI बैंक and बैंक ऑफ महाराष्ट्र, बैंक ऑफ बड़ौदा,
What is the long form of IDBI?
इंडस्ट्रियल डेवलपमेंट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया.
So there your students have opened the accounts.
Yes. On
अवॉर्ड कसं मिळाले तुम्हाला?
लायन्स क्लब
लायन्स क्लब सातारा. तुम्ही लायन मेंबर, लायन आहे का तुम्ही?
सोशल
What
Social-
referee
Or
or
social
what?
work.
He is a research guide.
Expert or referee?
Who is a research guide? So he belongs to the economics department. Okay, that's fine.
Referee is
And
what?
this doctor
M.B. Wagner, principal.
He is a research guide and he has evaluated.
Khatge, who is
This is-
Khatge?
Two students completed their PhD under
What is that award? वो क्या award है?
लायन्स क्लब
two
Okay,
hours.
उतना खास नहीं है. सोशल वर्क के लिए सातारा लायन्स क्लब वाले लोकल है.
Received 2 hours for my best research paper by Shivaji University Economic Association, Kolhapur.
But when you are how they give you the award, I do not know. You are unable to present the things in English properly.
These are
And these
Okay.
textbooks which you have published
Uh,
on YouTube, it is in English or Marathi?
same that open
Self-instructional material. Open University.
10 books. Mumbai University. Yes.
No?
Yes.
You might have got a lot of money for that. किती पैसे मिळाले तुम्हाला?
ते युनिटसाठी असतात. एक युनिट लिहिला की 3,000 रुपये.
किती युनिट लिहिले तुम्ही?
मी प्रत्येक टॉपिकमध्ये 4 युनिट एक युनिट लिहिला. 4 युनिटसाठी 4 युनिट लिहिले. 4 बुकमध्ये.
Publications.
Research papers.
Research paper
published.
45.
This is for how many? 5 years.
5 years.
You have any journals with you in which the paper is published?
Yes.
Where is that?
At the department.
Department. Okay, fine.
What is your area of research?
Public economics. PhD thesis. Title of my research: Finances of Village Panchayats in Satara district.
Finances of village
Village
panchayats
Panchayats
in Satara
in
district.
Satara district.
What are the findings?
Financially, village panchayats are very.
For that research needs to be undertaken. No research needs to be undertaken to arrive at that conclusion.
They are fine.
To arrive at that conclusion, you will not have to collect the data, analyze and interpret the data. It is self-explanatory.
Those kind of surveys the students can do.
Okay, fine. So, you must improve your communication skills.
Yes.
Times of India, financial, economic Times of India घेताय घरात?
Economic Times इथं आपण
तुमच्या घरात येते काय?
घरात नाही तिथं कॉलेज.
घरात यायला पाहिजे मग इकॉनॉमिक्स होऊन तुम्ही इकॉनॉमिक टाइम्स वाचत नाही म्हणजे कसं? Being an economist, you should read Economic Times of India. You should come to your house. Whether you read or not is immaterial. You should come to your house. है की नाही? काय एक पेपर किती पैसे पडतात?
सुरू करू
आजपासून सुरू करा की आजपासून वाचा ते आणि त्याच्यात डेटा असते ते त्या रिसर्चला वापरता येते तुम्हाला.
You get full UGC's gain.
Then spend 1,000 of that on newspapers and books and read them. In economics, without subscribing to Economic Times of India, is not an economist in my sense, in my view.
Okay, sir. Next department.
HOD साहेब, तुम्ही Economic Times ला subscribe करा. दारणे. You are a postgraduate in chemistry from which university?
Nanded University.
Nanded. Okay. Pune University. University.
Pune University, which college?
I'm Muralini. I completed my MSc at this college, Baramati, Pune University.
TC College, Baramati. You have cleared the net exam.
No, sir, I am last year.
Last year MSc selection.
How many of you are permanent teachers?
He is the only brother.
So this is a slide of economics.
Discussion झाली की का?
Actually, sir, it BSc first department is concerned 14, 15, 32, 15, 16, 15, and 16, 17, 26 students, sir.
So 22 final year students are opting for chemistry.
20, sir. 26 for the same.
No, 2014 to 15,
Yeah,
22. So 22 students are taking chemistry as major.
Yes.
आणि तुम्हाला शिवाय देणार आहे.
This is a graphic representation of the student profile.
That's fine.
Then I
What are
got
we doing here? The same thing.
departmental result 14-15, 76.19, 15-16, 80%, 16-17, a 70% result. We have for
No, your result has come down.
Yeah. Why chemistry department alone is having the result? What happened to other departments? They say they didn't get the result, but the chemistry department, how did you get? You have influenced the vice chancellor. How did you get the
No,
60
this data is available with us.
publication and to without SSN number.
You are a doctorate.
No, sir, actually, I faced a PhD interview for Shivaji University, Kolhapur, first time. But they said we need a full-time faculty who will stay in university and will work there. As
Ask them to pay your salary. You can leave the job and go there.
And there is one QIP program.
And actually, one thing is that science faculty do not have a permanent affiliation, so I cannot go for a leave.
You do not have a permanent affiliation. But yours is a sanctioned post.
Sanction course, sir.
Without affiliation also they sanction the post, sir.
Actually, sir, science faculty is 100% rentable from start itself. Science faculty is 100% rentable from start itself.
And none. Planned graduation. Sure.
Plain graduation, ma'am.
This chemistry department is running.
Plain graduation in science also.
What is this?
There is no special any course or certificate course for students. Just plain graduation.
What is the relevance?
And when there is only one course, why call it as courses?
Nee, what is this degree? Actually, you are giving a certificate like this?
No. Certificate is given by the
Don't bring in
university.
unwanted things. You know, this.
He has developed his own nomenclature for the course.
Anyway, you are offering chemistry BSc, no?
It's not a yes. He calls it as a plain course because no certificate.
General.
General BSc.
Sir, do you
BSc
offer,
in
your
science,
college
is
is
it?
offering any BSc degree in general? Why do you show this?
BSc course.
No, it is
Plain-
his own.
Madam, FY from morning 8 o'clock to 11:30.
Nee, I heard that science starts from afternoon.
Classes.
Actually, madam, there is only one level for chemistry, so FY, SY to the practical cannot be run between afternoon sessions. So we called the BSc third student in morning session for practical. After 11 a.m., their lecture start. After that, students depart to their home. In the
How
morning
many
session,
hours practicals you have?
morning from 8 a.m. to 11:30
For TY.
TY. From 11:30 to afterward SY and in afternoon session for FY students.
Classes are conducted in the afternoon. Practicals are conducted in the morning.
Practical
all the
SY and TY practical in the morning. Classes are in afternoon, and for BSc first classes are in morning session and practical in afternoon session.
All
No,
faculty.
no, all the faculty will not stay.
All faculty will not stay.
For the 12:45. And science faculty will be staying here up to the 5:30.
Okay.
Nee, but if you are taking practicals in the morning, you stay till evening to take lectures.
We have to stay. There is no option.
You know, how much money is given earmarked for your chemicals in the budget?
Money is actually we ordered the quantity year by year. Exact
You have not seen the amount allocated for chemicals in the budget of the college as the head of the department.
Apparatus.
Budget for apparatus and your
You have some instruments.
yeah, I have instrument pH meter is there. Again pH meter, colorimeter, conductometer, muffle furnace is there, electronic balance is there, and refractometer is there.
chemicals.
Chemicals all is there, sir. Most of chemical we have.
Enough quantity of chemicals is
Yes, sir. The chemicals which required for graduation level are at least sufficient to our college.
So, how much money is earmarked for that?
Production of nitric acid, sulfuric acid, and sodium carbonate, and then the run of sugar industry, steel production. So there are processes which have animation online. So I download this animation and I teach those students with the help of
So,
science.
since a lot of many sugar factories are located
Yes, sir. We will use
around the
instrument.
Meta, you should start a base in sugar technology.
Okay.
Shivaji University, Kolhapur.
You have passed next set exam.
Okay.
MP, you are a permanent faculty. So that will be released here.
Yes.
They are pursuing PhD for PhD.
Oh.
What subject?
History of Mahabaleshwar Municipal, 1667 to 2005.
History of?
History of
Mahabaleshwar
Mahabaleshwar
Municipal Corporation, municipality.
Municipal.
Okay, sir, please.
HKSL. You are from which university?
Shivaji University.
You have cleared next set exam.
Yes, sir.
You have registered for PhD.
No, sir.
Why you don't have any interest in PhD?
Which year you will retire, sir? Which year you will retire? Retire.
2035.
35. So you have to do PhD.
Iskaling submitted thesis for PhD. Mostly, sir.
What?
Iskaling history department, professional department. He is submit.
There are hardly 20 students. How many of them have passed?
Except you should know.
Sorry, sir.
And why not your department?
So, moreover, the period of the
yes,
assessment and accreditation is 5 years. So you should give the
Participation of students in seminar and annual workshop. Participation in lead policy activities.
Sir, what is this participation of student? वो तीसरा पॉइंट आपने बताया ना, क्या है वो?
तो सेमिनार और वर्कशॉप में हमारे स्टूडेंट पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं।
काम का सर।
तो नीट कॉलेज अंतर्गत होता है वो।
So how many students have participated in such seminars during the past 5 years?
And criteria is university or this one should have their own journal, but that does not make it all the
Yes. 5 historical places you visit every year. Which are the places you visited this year or last year?
और अपना है रिकॉर्ड है। All records are held on
But yes, sir, who is going with the students? कौन जाते हैं? बच्चों के साथ कौन जाते हैं? हम तो आपको तो जानना होगा ना?
It should be a part of field visit.
Yeah.
Field visit syllabus
How
में
many
होता है।
places?
कुछ photos
प्रतापगढ़ फोर्ट ऑफ प्रतापगढ़
Fort of Pratapgarh. Fort.
Okay, one. Huh?
2012-13 कोल्हापुर महालक्ष्मी टेम्पल कनेरी मठ पन्हाळा फोर्ट
प्रतापगढ़ फोर्ट कहाँ है?
और महाबलेश्वर के पास है। महाबलेश्वर के पास है।
हाँ.
महाबलेश्वर के पास
It's nearby.
एंड रायगढ़ एंड जिंजरा फोर्ट मकरंदगढ़ फोर्ट।
So it's all nearby only, no?
Very near. Claim money for the tour. No? Traveling का तो you can take as a part of this one.
Okay, fine.
जाते हैं रेगुलर कॉलेज के लिए और डिस्टेंस एजुकेशन के लिए एडमिशन
Distance is
पुलिस कांस्टेबल हमारे स्टूडेंट बहुत है।
बहुत है।
हाँ
Teacher.
Teachers, primary school teachers.
प्राइमरी स्कूल टीचर्स सेकंडरी आहे P1 सिविल कोर्ट मध्ये P1 आहे।
So that is
स्टूडेंट को बनाने का काम कर रहे हो आप?
they okay sir. Completed. Okay. तो students entry कैसे होते हैं?
Students यहाँ से
How? कैसे होते हैं?
ई ग्रंथालय सॉफ्टवेयर यूज किया है
Okay.
NIC का
Do you have any students ID card? You
Yes,
scan
sir.
the ID card and send them inside. Do you have any ID card? Can you
Yes, sir.
scan your ID card? Your ID card, can you scan? So this is there with all the students?
ये full time librarian नहीं
All
है?
students and all staff. Yes, sir.
He's a full time, he's a qualified librarian.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I am Sudhir Nagarkar, sir. And librarian, I have completed my SET and NET also. I am fill out from NET also, sir.
He was employed here as a
Library
librarian.
science.
Yes, sir.
You are a permanent librarian?
Yes, sir. I am permanent librarian.
degrees in like
Number of
this
total
means-
books
Yes,
is
yes,
changed
ma'am.
here and
Yes,
what your
ma'am.
principal has presented is different. That was 7
Latest
Yeah.
information
Number of
about the
books.
number of books,
He was in right.
number of reference books, number of textbooks, journals, magazines.
Yeah.
Huh?
Where
That one
journals
paper
and
is-
magazines काम पे है. Computer?
Yeah. All are the atomization and overall data are.
Now, can I access the book on the
Access 7010.
This is the 10.
7010.
रेप्रोग्राफिक सर्व्हिस कुठं आहे?
रेप्रोग्राफी सर्व्हिस आम्ही याच्यावर देतो सर.
त्याच्यावर काय तर सांगतो मला नाही याच्यावर
आणि जशी गरज असेल तसं देतो.
त्यानं दाखवून नका मला माहित आहे.
You have barcoding also for the books?
Yes sir. This one.
Station number is here.
Yeah, this is here also. That's fine. This book is not issued so far. Not accessed by anyone so far.
You may have the list of students who have used this book now in the computer.
How many libraries
Where is that?
Yes, sir. I have.
Please show that.
Where is the constitution of the library advisory committee? Who are all the members of that committee?
Then show the minutes.
Like that.
And show the evidence of
Yes, sir. कुठच्या
spending
ठिकाणी?
2 lakh rupees and buying. ये किसका handwriting है?
मेरा है.
You are writing minutes for other departments also?
No.
Handwriting will
That's why it simplifies
No
it.
sir. No. I am not writing.
Okay, fine. Okay.
Sir,
इसमें कितने members होते हैं? 12 members are there. Only 3 are assigned. So दूसरे कहाँ चले गए?
मीटिंग हुआ है या नहीं हुआ है?
नहीं,
अगर हुआ है तो सब लोग आए थे मीटिंग को?
वो बाद में लिखा जाता है सर.
बाद में क्यों लिखते हो? बाद में लिखो लेकिन सिग्नेचर तो
From 2013
No, mails to whom?
to our students
On
and
what?
faculty.
On what? Mails on what? क्या subject है इसका?
About his subject, any English subject, history subject.
Can you open one
commerce.
mail and show to which you have sent to English department? The book you are sending
Yeah.
to the departments.
Yes. Sir.
e-book, no?
Yeah, e-book.
This is a very good practice.
Yeah, and
E-books.
it is frequently sending. sir.
No, the UGC has recommended a purchase of e-books.
That is fine. He is sending e-books to
And
the
I have
department.
I have taken a Google alerts from all subjects. Sir. Here is a Google alerts, English literature, commerce, UGC, science.
कॉमर्स बुक ई बुक कुठला आहे? कॉमर्स
आणि आता सम
One second. Please wait. Don't change it. Okay.
गूगल अलर्ट से जो भी हमें आता है वो हम रिलेटेड सब्जेक्ट को भेजते हैं.
That is not the one which you want to take, no? You clicked a wrong photo.
Update events any in India.
Okay.
Google alerts will send me mail
Okay. Then
from
you will
Google
send.
alerts,
Okay.
and I will send to related commerce for that.
Google may send that alert to others also. Why you need to send that?
No, actually this is my practice, sir, best practice, because अपडेट तो रहना चाहिए. अभी नेट के बारे में अपडेट रहना है.
No, sir's question
नेट
is
का भी
different.
अलर्ट दिया है.
No, Google alert is not pertaining to anybody. Google alert is open.
It comes to all.
नहीं all, लेकिन मैं एज ए लाइब्रेरी
Okay.
my faculty.
Where do you display the new arrivals?
If there are any.
Oh. How many journals you have and how many magazines?
16-17 किती लोकांना दिलाय सर?
You ask him to give us the
प्रत्येक
data.
वर्षी
किती मुलांना देतात पुस्तक?
Teachers are using this improvement. Let's see, please. There is no sum. There is no
22
minimum.
Okay.
There is no
फक्त 22 किती आले पुस्तक आहे?
You cannot say.
पुस्तक
How many?
एक हो गया
तो नेक्स्ट सेमेस्टर
Next
को तो
semester
आता है
ना?
ना,
नेक्स्ट
अगला सेमेस्टर को तो आता है ना। वो सिद्धिविनायक ट्रस्ट हो पोर बच्चों के लिए दिया हुआ बुक्स और
आप तो
रेगुलर
देते
इशू
नहीं।
के लिए नहीं है।
आप तो नहीं देते।
हाँ।
वो हर साल देते हैं।
हाँ हर साल आता है, कितना 20 लोगों को
हर
दिया
साल
है
देते हैं।
5 वर्ष में।
लास्ट
या गिवन बुक्स
हर साल देते हैं।
हाँ हर साल देते हैं। लास्ट ईयर तो नहीं दिया था उन्होंने, बजट खत्म हो गया ऐसा।
आप कांटेक्ट करते हैं उनसे?
हाँ कांटेक्ट करते हैं।
हाँ,
इस साल 700 बुक्स आने वाले हैं।
आने वाले हैं।
आने वाले हैं। तो next year you can give no.
Yeah.
See, that book only you are to your
हाँ,
library.
हाँ।
Not you are giving to them.
तो बोर्ड्स भी लिए थे सर, 16 का बोर्ड्स।
Cupboards cannot be taken in book.
One bring one back volume.
This is back volume of what?
Yeah, you
Bound-
go on.
bound-
Bound volume. Back volumes.
Like
नहीं,
chemicals.
Your magazines, your journals का back volumes
उसका
का.
पीछे होता volumes.
पीछे के वॉल्यूम्स हैं।
और ये जो बोर्ड है, you get it redone. सिद्धिविनायक से नाव ह्याच्यात पाहिजे.
You cannot claim that.
हाँ, this you
Existing till 2000 since 2012
Latest
itself.
registration
And this
is
is printed last 2 months.
जैसे back volume करून घ्यायला पाहिजे. जैसे back volume करून घ्यायला पाहिजे.
हाँ लेते हैं सर, 141 बॅक वॉल्यूम बनवले बाउंड.
So how many?
Reader's Digest बनवलं होतं.
ह्या वर्षीच्या काही विद्यार्थ्यांना जर समजा आर्टिकल झेरॉक्स करायचं असेल तर ते आम्ही
So how many
मोकळे
magazines you have? कितने
ओल्ड
magazines है
झाल्यानंतर
आपके
मग ते
पास?
बाउंड वॉल्यूम बनवले.
Book grant will be
Magazine
awarded by
कितने हैं?
UGC. If book grant.
Magazines
If it is
कितने हैं magazines?
नहीं उसमें 15 जर्नल्स है और 20 पीरियोडिकल मैगजीन.
Okay. Journals कौन कौन सा है? These are all journals?
Let him give the latest report to us.
Yeah.
टाइप करून एकदा number of books, number of
And
reference
journals का number
number of
चाहिए.
textbooks, no? Small textbooks.
दिस वन सर.
This is local.
For every semester.
This is a journal. We want only journals. Competition success we are not coming periodically.
सी सर. यशस्वी
हे सगळं कॉमर्सचे सगळं पाटकरचे पुस्तक आहेत की लोकल रेफरन्स बुक्स नाहीत हा?
ये सर सर.
कॉमर्सचे सगळे लोकल ऑथर्सचे आहेत पुस्तक.
Journal. This is which edition? Current current.
इकॉनॉमिक
इंडियन लिटरेचरचं करंट बॅक.
Yeah.